During the earthquake, the earth trembled violently beneath my feet. Buildings groaned and swayed, their windows shattered with a deafening crash. Dust and debris filled the air, creating an eerie, choking haze. People screamed in panic, their faces contorted with terror as they scrambled for safety. The ground cracked open in places, swallowing roads and splitting the earth like a deep wound. The sound of creaking metal and breaking concrete echoed through the streets like thunder. Everywhere, chaos reigned. Some people were trapped beneath the rubble, their desperate cries for help barely audible over the roaring rumble of aftershocks. Vehicles were overturned, and trees were uprooted, their branches snapping like brittle twigs. In the midst of the devastation, I could see the dazed expressions of the survivors, struggling to comprehend what had just happened. The air was thick with dust, making it hard to breathe, and the sky, once clear, was now darkened with the smoke rising from collapsed buildings. The tremors seemed endless, and each aftershock only heightened the fear that the worst was yet to come. It was a scene of horror, a nightmare that seemed to stretch on forever. The earth had unleashed its fury, and nothing would ever be the same again.